Hello everyone, this head wrap is very simple and it is unique. Let me show you how I achieved this. I'm working with 4-layer ashoke and the measurement I'm using here is 60-40. So see the way I place my hand at the middle to measure the 60-40, can see. So at the tip now of the 40, I'm going to pleat it. So as I'm pleating it now, see the way I'm going to turn my hand, then place it on my head. Okay, place it through the back, you can see. So I'm going to use one hand from this side to hold this other side, you can see, and then I will now bring it out. Okay, so watch, I'm arranging here now before bringing it out. Once I pull it out, the next thing I'm going to arrange it. Okay, I'm going to arrange this side. Okay, so I'm arranging it now. So today's haul goes to Ndifreke Asokwa watching from Akwa Ibom. Thank you very much for following this page and also enjoying this class. I really appreciate. Let me know where you're watching me from so that I can send you hug in my next video. So I'm still arranging. Once I'm done with this, the next thing I'm going to be forming a rose at this front. Okay, so see the way I'm going to start pleating. Just watch my hand, see what I'm doing. I'll pleat, then take it to the back to form this rose. Please let me use a little of your time as you're watching. If today is the first time you're coming across my video, please don't forget to follow this page for more head wrap tutorials, and also help me to share this video and give this video a like, and don't go without leaving a comment. All right, thank you very much for doing that. You can see I'm still forming the pleat. Where are you watching me from? Is it from Africa, from Canada, from UK, from US? Anywhere your location is, write it at the comment section so that I can send you a hug in my next video. Thank you very much for doing that. So I want to secure here with a pin. So watch carefully and always practice after watching so that you can be able to tie this by yourself. Okay, don't just watch and say you can be able to do it. Practice is when you practice, that's when you can be 100% sure that you can be able to tie this head wrap by yourself. Okay, so I've secured that place with a pin. Then I'm going to arrange. Then this back I want to cover it, so it depends on what you want. You want to leave it open, is optional. Okay, so I'll cover the back, then use pin to secure that place. I'm removing the pin to secure it now. This head wrap is very simple. It is very easy. If you follow every step that I'm doing, you'll be able to tie it by yourself. Okay, so I want to arrange this front. Then I'm almost done with the style. You can see it is very simple. How do you see it? Let me know your opinion at the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for helping me to share this video. Thank you for following the page. Thank you for liking this video. I really appreciate. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.